Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Dita 18 karat gold eyeglasses model DRX2073 in color code G. The color of the frame is black. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that the temples don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are a round shape. And the temples are 18 karat gold. On its inner right temple, you'll find the model name, which is Ash. And on its inner left temple, you'll find the Dita logo. Find the Dita emblem. These glasses also come with a Dita Optical gift box and a Dita hard case. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.